Hello students, how are you? Today's topic is future tense. First, simple future tense. Rule: subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. When subject is first person pronoun I or we use auxiliary verb shall. When subject is second or third person pronoun he, she, they, it, we use will. Now take examples. He will go there today. This is affirmative sentence. I shall not play in the evening. This is negative. For making negative sentence, we use shall not or will not. Next, shall I go to temple daily? This is interrogative sentence. For making interrogative sentence, we have to put auxiliary verb will or shall before the subject. Here, shall I go? Next, uses of future, simple future tense. To indicate an action that takes place in future. I shall go to Mumbai tomorrow. To talk about what we believe or think will happen in future. I think India will win the match. Things which we cannot control and are factual. The sun will arise at 5 a.m. Now second is future continuous tense. Rule: subject plus will be or shall be plus ing form of the verb plus object. When subject is first person pronoun I or we use auxiliary verb shall be. When subject is second or third person pronoun we use will be. Second or third person pronoun he, she, they, it. Take examples. I shall be going to Agra this evening. This is affirmative sentence. She will not be washing her clothes on Sunday. This is negative. Where will they be staying tonight? This is interrogative sentence. Uses of future continuous tense. To indicate an action that will be in progress at the time in the future. At this time, tomorrow, we shall be attending the party. Second is to talk about actions in the future which are already planned. She will be meeting us next month. Now, future perfect tense. Rule is subject will have or shall have plus third form of the verb plus object. When subject is first person pronoun I or we use shall have. When subject is second or third person pronoun he, she, they, it, we use will have. Take example. You will have reached the station before the train arrived. There are two actions found in future perfect tense. The action which will complete earlier is written in future perfect tense. See, you will have reached the station. This action will complete earlier in this sentence. The action which will complete later is written in present indefinite or simple tense. The train arrives. Now next example. I shall not have written the letter by noon. This is negative sentence. Will he have gone before I reach? Usage of future perfect tense. For an action that will be completed by a certain future time. I shall have finished stitching this shirt by tomorrow. Now next, future perfect continuous tense. Rule is subject plus will have been or shall have been plus V1 plus ing plus object. When subject is first person pronoun I or we use shall have been. When subject is second or third person pronoun he, she, they, it, we use will have been. Now take examples. We will have been watching the TV since morning. This is affirmative sentence. I shall not have been waiting for him for 3 hours. This is negative sentence. Why will they have been traveling since midnight? This is interrogative sentence. We use since for exact time, for point of time. For duration of time, we use for. Usage of future perfect continuous tense. For an action that will have been completed and will continue for some time in the future. She will have been teaching for 5 years next March. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.